All right, so my granite tile arrived for my countertop. I'm very excited. It got delivered just a few hours ago, I think. I don't know. It got delivered by UPS, which was weird. I don't know. I didn't know UPS would deliver something this heavy, but they did. So that is a little scary at the same time. Just, you know, I order from UPS all the time. I never have a problem with parts and all kinds of stuff that I order from work. But tile and stuff, I just never really thought to get it through them. So we'll see. Let's open up everything. So those are the boxes. I got 4 boxes total that I ordered. I spent about 350 bucks, I guess, something like that. Maybe a little bit more. I don't really remember. It was around there. Yeah, let's open them up. Let's see what's up and see what they look like. All right, I'm all excited. I can't wait to see. Hopefully they're not that heavy for me to handle either, because the guy said they were very heavy upon delivery. My delivery driver was not too happy that he had to lug these all over here. But like I said, I mean, hopefully they're wrapped up really well, and I'm not gonna have a problem when I open them up. All right, let's check them out. So this is just a close-up of it, of what it looks like. Quick and easy granite surface. That's the kind that I got, the color that I got. That's the right color. 58 pounds for each one. That's pretty damn heavy. It doesn't look like any cracks. It looks pretty good. This one looks in good shape, right? Yep. Checking it out. Oh, check it out. Everything looks good. Yep. This one looks good. So let's pull this one off and put it in the house. Check the next one real quick. But that's kind of how they come. Wow, those are very heavy. All right, just to let you know. Those are really heavy. Check the next one. My packing slip. That's my packing slip right there. Okay. Oh no. Damn it! Bro! Damn it! Damn it, damn it. came broken. That one's broke. Alright, well, we got a broken one. That stinks. I'm really not happy. I just opened it up. Look at the size of this crack. Now I gotta call Home Depot. Tell them right away that I have a crack. Let me see what else. Oh, man, damn. I just didn't want to have to deal with that. I was all excited to have my tile for my granite countertop. Okay. Alright, what are you gonna do? Let's check the next one. Shoot. All right, next one. Next one's broken too. Next one's broken too. Alright. Next one's broken as well. Here's another one that's broken. It's cracked right in half. I wish that this didn't happen, you know, because I really want to install my countertop, and now I'm not going to be able to with this all broken like this. So let's check out the next one. So we got 2 boxes that are broken, 1 box so far. That's good. Let's check the last box. And it's cracked in half. And it's cracked in half. Every one of them are broken almost. Another one is cracked in half. Here's another one cracked in half. The whole thing came broken. I got one good box, and I can't even put in my countertop now. All right. I'm gonna have to call Home Depot or something. I only got 1 good box out of everything. This one's broken, you already saw, and every other box came broken. Let me call them up, and now I gotta figure this out with Home Depot. I'm really not happy about this. If 1 came broken, I would have been totally okay with it, but to have every one of them, you know, almost broken, I can't install my countertop. So let me all right, thank you everybody for watching. This could happen to you too, so you know, you might be dealing with the same situation as I just did. So just call Home Depot or UPS, whoever you got to call, and you got to figure out how to get your claim in, I guess. And that's it. All right, thank you everybody for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.